Hi everyone, this is Uncle Andy from Let's Art. Okay, today I'd like to show you how to make an easy relief print. The principle of this project is use paper cutouts to print. That's it. All you need is a thick paper, scissors, glue stick to make 3 different paper plates. Here in this printmaking project, we only use the basic geometric shapes to make interesting composition in print. Basic process is like this. You cut any size of geometric shapes and make 3 different plates for color. And the second stage is glue all cutouts on 3 different plates. And then finally, you will use rollers to print yellow, and then red, and then blue colors on same printing paper for color print. Okay, so let's start.
Use them. So you can actually make some different sizes and different shapes of the geometric shapes, and I think that's all you need. Once you're finished cutting, you just glue it with glue stick. It is my second plate for red color, and you just need to do the same for the red plate and the blue plate. Just the same over and over again. The process are same. These plates will be all overlapped on the same paper. That's all you have to remember, and that's important. So that makes the color print. Okay, once you're done making plates, paint acrylic varnish on the surface of the all plates, so it will kind of like cover and coat it from the deteriorations and the destroying by the water when you're washing it. And you need a gouache, a roller, and a paper to print it on. You also need a barren or old credit card to scrape and rub. That's all you need. Okay, now you rub the paper for about 20 seconds. That's all you need. Now, time for printing red paint, and do the same. It is time for blue color, and it's the same as before. Okay, that's how it turns out. Wow, cool, awesome. Okay, that's all, folks, and you can always experiment different possibilities and give it a try. And if you liked it, please subscribe and push the buttons and like. Thank you, and see you next time.